Hey, Chuck Richards here with my critical illness page in AC Financial Group. Today I want to talk to you about a program that is so important, arguably one of the most important products that one can own, right? And that is long-term care insurance. One of the reasons why it is so important is because the cost of long-term care is skyrocketing, right? And second of all, it is a crucial part of financial planning, especially if you're between the ages of 45 and 55. It is definitely the time to sit down with your financial planner, take a look at long-term care insurance, and see if that's something you need as part of your portfolio to preserve some of the wealth that you have accumulated and future earnings that you're going to be accumulating as well. Because when you look at some of the stats out there, you know, you can Google this or Bing it or whatever the case is, but according to the Department of Health and Human Services, that individuals that are turning 65 have a 70% chance of needing some type of long-term care, right? And this could be anything from home health care, having someone come into your house and just help you out a little bit, which can run thousands of dollars a month, to assisted living places that can run $30,000 to $40,000 a year, to nursing homes that can run $70,000 on up to $90,000 a year. So you can see how this could drain one's assets very quickly. Also, by having this, it helps lessen that burden from your family if you ever need these services. So I want to talk to you about two particular types of long-term care plans. One's just a traditional plan. It's pretty simple to understand because it works like most insurances out there. You would pay a monthly premium, all right? Typically 45 to 55, you're looking at a few $100 a month. I know it's expensive. And for that, you would have a monthly benefit, probably somewhere between $3,000 to $4,000 a month in benefit. There are some riders on there where you can have that increase, like an inflation rider. And you would have a lifetime max too, say $300,000, $400,000 as far as a lifetime maximum. But you can see how that $300,000 or $400,000 could offset many years of needing help with in-home health care, or assisted living, or even nursing home. But it is kind of expensive. And the one question that I get from my clients are, what happens if I don't use it? Unfortunately, in most cases, it's use it or lose it type of insurance, kind of like that car insurance, right? Have that car insurance, you never get in a wreck. They're typically not going to give you your premiums back. But there is a hybrid out there. It's unique. It's a little bit different. And you kind of look here. Maybe well, first of all, when you pay for it, you're not paying a monthly premium. You're going to either pay a one-time lump sum payment, say $50,000, $100,000, $150,000 one time, or you can pay for it over 10 years. So if you're going to put $50,000 into it, you'd pay $5,000 a year for the next 10 years. After that, it's done. You no longer contribute. But as you can see here, I'm going to put up three buckets, right? So you have bucket 1, 2, and 3. In bucket 1, this is going to give you about 5 times the benefit in long-term care. So whatever you're going to contribute, if it's $50,000, if it's one time, or even over 10 years, it's going to give you about 5 times that benefit in long-term care. Okay. Then you have this second bucket over here, which is what happens if you don't use it. God forbid you passed away prematurely or something like that. It's going to give you 3 times that benefit in life insurance. And then it's going to have bucket number 3, which gives you options for later on, which at any time, if you choose that you don't want the long-term care product, you can get 100% of your monies back. So the hybrid's a little bit different, a little bit more upfront cost, but it gives you some safety nets if you're worried about, you know, paying for something that you may not use or you may think is a bad idea. So something to look into. So what I'm going to do on here is I'm going to put a little link down here to a nice read from lifehappens.org. And go ahead and take a look at that. Maybe get some more information on long-term care, see if it fits you and your needs. And hopefully this video was helpful to you. So as always, if you thought it was beneficial and you care, give this puppy a share. If not, thanks for watching anyways. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.